For this video, we will talk about the different ways on how to consume an API. Many software vendors host APIs on their own website. When we want to consume them, we need to manually find the specifications of these APIs. Instead of doing so, you can check out the Toro Marketplace. The Toro Marketplace is your #1 source for API schemas. To access Toro Marketplace's list of available extensions, click on its icon located at the top of Martini, and then use the API Schema filter. For this demo, we'll consume the Dropbox API. Click on Install, browse, then choose the directory of the Martini package where you want it to be installed. Then click Finish. Once the installation is done, you will see the list of generated services on your chosen directory. Some vendors are already speaking API specification languages such as OpenAPI, WSDL, and RAML. You can easily consume these schemas and generate Gloop services from them. To do that, launch the Gloop API Wizard. Select Consume as a type, click Next, then choose the type of schema you want to consume, which for our demo is a Pet Store Swagger schema, paste it on the source URL, and then click Finish. If you have an HTTP request, you can also create a Gloop service that consumes it. To do that, create a Gloop HTTP client service. We'll name it HTTP. Click Next, then paste the request URL. Configure the necessary parameters if you need to, then click Finish. There might be a case wherein the API you want to consume doesn't provide a schema. This is where the Toro Docs to Open API plugin can help. It allows you to create an Open API schema from the publisher's API documentation.